Follow these steps to replace your GVC2 control board. First, be sure to power off your machine. Then remove the cover from the slots like this. Note that your board may be mounted differently and be blue or green. However, the operation will be the same. We recommend snapping a picture of the control board connection so you know where to reconnect everything. Now you can disconnect the wires for the motors, shelves, and common wires, temperature sensor relay, door switch, delivery sensor, keypad, decks, MDB, power, and display. Unhook the control board from the 6 standoffs holding it in place. There are 3 on each side. Place the new control board on, attaching it to the 6 standoffs. Then attach the connections to the control board, just like you found it. Now reattach the connections. Refer to the picture you took earlier to know where each connection goes. After replacing a board, you need to do a motor count and reset basic settings such as refrigeration and motor modes. Any other specialty settings such as timers will need to be reprogrammed as well. Finally, place the cover in the slots like so. With the new board connection secure, you can now start the initial programming for your machine. Perform a motor count. Configure the selections for either can or bottle. Confirm the temperature setting is cold. Set the correct prices. Power the machine on and enter service mode. Press this button on the control board to switch the machine to service mode. Then press 2 to perform a motor count. You will now see the number of motors the machine detects here on the display. For the model 3578 can bottle machine, you need to make sure each selection correctly matches with the can or bottle setting in service mode. In service mode, press 4 for configuration. You can set all the selections to the same configuration if you are only selling cans or bottles. You can also set individual selections based on the product you're selling in each selection. Press 3 to set all items to the same configuration. Press 3 to scroll through the options. Press pound to save. Press star to exit. Press 1 to set a configuration for an individual selection. Enter the selection number. Press 1 to scroll through the options. Press pound to save. Press star to exit. To access the refrigeration menu, press 4 and 0. The password is 2314. Press 7 to go to the refrigeration menu. The correct setting is cold. Press 7 if you need to scroll through the options. Press pound to save. Press star to exit. Press 5 to enter pricing mode. You can choose to price the whole machine or an individual selection. Press 1 to price an individual item. Enter the selection number you want to price. Now enter the new price for the selection. Press pound to save. And then pound again to set the price for the next item. Press pound to save. Press star to exit. Press 3 to set a price for all the items in the machine. Enter the new price. Press pound to save. Press star to exit.